All right. So I thought I'd change up the scenery. In the last video, we talked about product market fit, finding an idea, product market fit, and validation. Now we introduce the waitlist. I am going to tell you in this video, I'm going to try and keep it short, how to actually get people to sign up on your waitlist once you have a valid idea. So you want people here. Now, you don't have a lot of money, okay? You don't have investors. You don't have a big team. It's probably just you or you and your friend. How do you get people onto your wait list to sign up to wait for your product to drop? So you have to do things that are unscalable. Unfortunately. What does this mean? This means actions that can get results almost instantly, but are very difficult to scale and automate and have leverage. You can automate some of them, don't get me wrong, but what I mean by leverage, ads. Ads have leverage because you make something once and you can push it out to hundreds of thousands or millions of people instantly like that. We don't have the budget to do this. Okay, yeah, I'm currently in Lombok, so it's just a little island in the middle of nowhere in Indonesia, so you might hear some weird noises, but ignore them. So you don't have money in order to create leverage with your efforts. You cannot go reach out to a massive influencer in your niche and partner with them because you have nothing to give them in return. You don't have money to spend on ads, so you can't be reaching a massive audience. You have to do unscalable actions. So what does this mean? This means outreach. So cold DMs, cold emails. This one's a good one. Community stealing. I don't know if you guys want to call it that, but that's basically what it is. It's where you go into the communities or online groups where your audience hangs out. This could be Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, Telegram groups, Discord groups, Twitter groups, wherever, forums, and you go in and you start posting valuable content. Now, it's the same with cold DMs, cold emails, community stealing. This is all the same strategy here. You want to be posting and giving away free value that those people can use once you release this in order for them to have the highest leverage using your product. So cold DM, go out there, find a list of people wherever they hang out. Let's say it's LinkedIn. You can do a Boolean search on LinkedIn. For example, Boolean search is where you use commas or quotation marks and you put information. You can use and or, and you put other information. So I said it pretty stupidly, but this is what I mean. CEO, and let's say you're targeting pest control companies. You're building a software for pest control companies. So you type in LinkedIn, in quotation marks, CEO and pest control. You're gonna get a list of every single person who has the title CEO and works in pest control. So the owners of pest control companies. Now what you do, in the cold DMs, instead of going and say, hey, I built this software, it's gonna help you do this and that and make more money and save more time, no. You build out some free assets. These assets, or value bombs, as I like to call them, have to be information or strategies that are so good and applicable that you would actually be able to charge for them, but you're gonna give them away for free in exchange for an opt-in. So in my cold DMs, I'm reaching out, I'm saying, hey, whatever the person's name is, notice you're the CEO at this company. We've been working on this software. Here is some value, here's a breakdown or a guide of best practices on how to, let's say this is an SEO software, on how to optimize your technical SEO in the back end of your website. You send them a guide. If you want to take full advantage of SEO, we're building this tool, put in your email, hop on the wait list, and you can get another guide. So you're reaching out through cold DMs. You're doing the same thing through cold emails. If you want to set it up automated, you can. I'm not saying that's leverage. That's higher leverage than doing it manually. So if you can set up automated cold emails with the same idea, giving out free value, and then asking if they're interested in signing up for the product that you think will help them get the best bang for the buck in SEO. Now, community stealing. You go on LinkedIn, again, for this example, and you type in SEO for pest control, SEO for small business, and you find these groups and you join these groups. Maybe it'll take a day or two to get approved, but once you're in these groups, you're not going to go in and try and sell your product because you're going to get banned. Immediately, you're going to get banned. A lot of these communities have rules against promoting and selling, so you're going to go in and you're going to become an authority in those communities. So you're going to start posting, again, valuable content on SEO, on how to help business owners rank higher on Google while not hiring an SEO agency. And you're going to keep posting this free value. And again, this has to be actionable value. It can't be some big 30-page document with just theory. This has to be something they can take and implement on their own and actually see results with, or else they're not going to see you as an authority or a knowledgeable person in the space. And after you've started building up your trust, after you've been super active for a week or so in those communities, and you've been sending those cold DMs and cold emails with extreme value, then you're gonna ask. So give until they ask, and if they don't ask, you have to ask. So then you introduce your solution that you're building and build your wait list up through there. So again, to recap, I want to keep this short. In order to drive traffic to a waitlist landing page, when you don't have money, you don't have partners, you don't have labor or resources, you need to do actions that are unscalable, things that you can see results for almost immediately without spending resources because you don't have them. So cold DMs, cold emails, community stealing. Simple as that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.